Hi, my name is Joanna. I'm a slow fashion designer, embroiderer and illustrator. In this episode, I will show you how to make the zero waste embroidered ring using the reuse policy. Zero waste approach to life and design is based on few rules: reuse, refuse, reduce, recycle and rot. Today I will show you how to reuse old beads and create a delightful ring. I try to follow this rule in my project. I believe that we should rethink how we create objects so as not to harm the environment and be able to enjoy the beauty of nature and the effect of our artistic work. Let's start creating. The list of necessary materials and tools is in the description below. In the previous episode, I was inspired by abstract art. I love the freedom to create, so this time I will also use the power of imagination and intuition. I cut a similar shape out of 2 scraps of felt. As with the earring, I will embroider on one and the other will strengthen the ring structure. I'm collecting beads from old necklaces because they are beautiful materials for my other projects. For embroidering with beads, I use a special thin and more flexible needle. I use several colors and sizes of beads to create an interesting texture. Have fun and experiment. You can always change the idea. Such as small projects are a great exercise to awaken the imagination and patience. If you feel that you need more peace and creative joy, this is one of the best ways. I tested it myself. Embroidering and painting make me feel less overwhelmed and stressed. I talked more about that in the intro of free embroidery course on my channel. I also experience a wonderful warm energy coming from the satisfaction that I made something beautiful from start to finish by myself. Research shows that arts and crafts have a therapeutical effect on our health. I hope you will discover your creative potential as well. If you would like to learn more about therapeutical impact of crafting and arts, see additional links in the description below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. It will motivate me to create more videos for you. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and creative ideas. Stay creative and have fun!